come from healthcare industry, and I opted to go and do some research in UK. So it happened that I have to write PTE examination. So I was just looking for some best institutes in Hyderabad, and after a lot of search and reviews on online, I came to know about best PT in SR Nagar. So I have just come here and I have attended one of the sessions. And when I registered in the email itself from PT, I came to know that even you are good at English, the mail itself, there is one line that it says that even if you are good at English, some people may fail. So you need to know the techniques and all that. So main thing was I have come here, and even though I have 10 years experience in my healthcare industry, I was ITPS support leader for Southeast Asia. And still, I was having a lot of anxiety whether I can crack, and especially I had only 6 days of time limit, whether I can crack it in 6 days or not. So I've come here, I've spoken to Sandeep sir, and I could get about, because best PT is thrice training partner, so I wanted to go with the one who can tell me in depth about PT. So after coming here, I was taken through the process, how the examination is done, and the most importantly, the first thing is, while registering the exam also, that is more important, because sometimes we may miss out a lot of details. So it is, I always thought to best to register exam also with them. I've also done the registration with them, and I've also joined the course, and I opted for one-to-one course because I didn't have time. So, and I got extensive training here in terms of speaking, listening, reading and writing. So that's how I could improve a lot of modules. And Sandeep sir has given me in-depth knowledge, like what are the techniques basically, apart from your knowledge, the way of speaking and all that, there are a lot of techniques, you may not realize until or unless you come to this institute and take one demo here. And I felt really, I'm telling this thing from my heart because it helped me a lot. So most of them could not clear, my friends could not clear, but still I got a very good score in 6 days. So definitely I'll recommend Best PT Center for anyone who's willing to get a high score. I'm not just talking that just general training, but if you're looking for immigration or for study, this is the best institute. Thank you.